Health officials continue to say that vaccines are our best protection against COVID-19.
They're also warning there could be another surge of cases, and frontline workers are worried this may take them away from another holiday with their families. KVUE's Molly Oak spoke with one mom who is also an ICU nurse about this fear.
What drives you?
Oh, they're the best, man. They are the best. They keep me going.
For this mom, that answer is her kids, a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old, who was just 3 months old when she returned to work in March of 2020 as a bedside nurse in the ICU during the first 2 COVID surges.
That was probably the scariest thing to me, was just, bringing it home to him.
Molly Miller is now the nurse manager of the ICU at Baylor Scott & White, and with potential for another surge in the coming months, she's concerned that she may, once again, have to stay away from her kids during the holidays.
Oh, yeah. Oh, of course.
And she's frustrated that we're still fighting this.
To say the least, it's scary because we know what's coming. So that's a little, before in the first few surges, we didn't know what was coming. We didn't know how to treat it. It was just this it was like this war that was about to happen, but we didn't know when the attack was coming, or even how to fight the enemy.
Now, Molly says she hopes more people will get vaccinated to keep those who can't, like her kids, safe.
I think that's the hardest part for me is we deal with this every day, and I'm vaccinated and, my husband's vaccinated, but they can't be. And so we need people to get vaccinated to protect them.
Healthcare workers have made a lot of sacrifices this year. They've missed holidays, stayed away from family to keep them safe. It's enough to force some people out of the profession.
I'd be lying if I said I hadn't also thought about leaving the ICU of how much longer can I do this? How many more surges can I do? I for sure cried to my husband, I don't know how to fix this.
Which is crushing when fixing things, healing people, is your job. But her passion is another thing that pushes her to keep going.
I'm not going to leave the fight.
Molly Oak, KVUE News.